Hello, welcome to Go Beyond Betty. Today we're gonna make something sweet because I love sweets, I love sugar. And if you were to ask your whole family what kind of cobbler do you want, you would probably get 4 different answers. So this fast, easy, a recipe you cannot forget, which I love, will please everybody. Can you imagine that? Pleasing everybody. I like that idea. So let's get started. You can use any kind of pan. I'm gonna use a skillet. All you need is a bowl and a whisk. So we need 1 cup each of flour, sugar, and milk. So 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour. I like to mix the two. And then 1 cup of milk. No eggs. So mix this all together. I made this the other night. I was actually making this earlier this week. And our power went out. So I'm like, well, and it was already like made and ready. I put it in the oven and the power went out like 1 minute later. So I thought, maybe I can do it on the stovetop. So that's what I did. I just put the skillet right on the stove, about like a pretty low temperature, like a 2. I don't know, it's done like 20 minutes later. That's it, it's done. This is our cake batter. So we're gonna spray the bottom of, again, any kind of pan. Pour it in. And then the fun part. Now you get to decide what kind of fruit you want. Just in the spirit of curiosity, I am doing multiple kinds of fruit. So I'm gonna do quadrants or little sections so that I can have a little bit of fruit in each spot. So let's cut up our fruit and place it beautifully on our cake. Let's start with the fig. This is not my forte, I'll tell you that. I love figs. It's not my forte to decorate. If you've never had a fresh fig and you can find them somewhere, get your hands on. I love them. There we go. Let's do an apricot. Probably only need half of this guy. Have cherries. You can make this like I did the other night with blueberries and I didn't have to cut anything. So even faster. I'll do a few plums. Maybe just one again. All right, in the last section, I am gonna cheat. I'll be honest with you. Those blackberries are way too delicious to not eat fresh. So I have some frozen ones. And I do wanna see how frozen fruit works in this. So whatever, judge me. I won't know it. Well, I would if you commented that, but if you are so inclined to top it and sprinkle it with a little something, you're welcome to, but it doesn't need it. Just watch that it pulls away from the edges. It's not gonna be super dark on top. You're not getting any. No. If I happen to have some powdered sugar, put it on here. I love it. It's sweet and like creamy, chewy, yummy. And the fruit is awesome. So something you can make for breakfast, dinner, lunch, whatever, tea time. It's really good. It has the texture of mochi and kind of spongy, chewy texture. It's not the showstopper, but it's something you don't have to look up a recipe. Cup of everything, whisk it, put whatever fruit you want on it. Blueberries, probably the easiest. It's yummy, it's weird, it's different, but give it a try because everyone wins in this dessert. So thank you again for joining me at Go Beyond Betty, where you are taking whisks in the kitchen. We'll see you again soon. Bye.